To manage Apple Pay contactless payment, start by setting up the service on your Apple device. First, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a new card. You will be prompted to take a photo of your credit or debit card or enter the card details manually. Verify the card with your bank and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments. To do this, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You will receive a confirmation of the payment on your device. To manage your Apple Pay cards, open the Wallet app and tap on the card you want to manage. From here, you can view your recent transactions, change your default card, and remove a card from Apple Pay. You can also use the Settings app to manage your Apple Pay settings, such as adding or removing cards and adjusting your transaction limits. For added security, make sure to keep your device and Apple Pay information up to date. Regularly review your transactions and report any suspicious activity to your bank. It is also a good idea to set a passcode or use Face ID or Touch ID to prevent unauthorized access to your device. When using Apple Pay, make sure the contactless payment terminal is compatible with Apple Pay. Look for the Apple Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol to ensure the terminal accepts Apple Pay. You can also use Apple Pay in apps and on websites that support the service, making it a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily manage your Apple Pay contactless payment and take advantage of the convenience and security it offers. Remember to always keep your device and information secure to protect your financial information and prevent unauthorized access.